WULF stock analysis and WULF stock prediction. Is it a buy right now? Watch this 1-minute video till the end to find out. I'm looking at Terawulf, and Terawulf is definitely kind of giving me like a bigger retracement than so expected, but you know, I'm not even trying to judge here. We're still inside this demand zone. Before I get into it, I've spent 5 figures on courses and mentors, called out thousands of quick predictions, and all this has been documented. Now, looking at Wolf, I begin by me being bullish, and obviously I do have the proof to back it up. Here's when this was made. This was made like 4 months ago, 11th of October. Guess what happened? 11th of October. Since then, we've delivered. This is the vertical line on the left on that 11th of October. And now we're set this demand. So the only thing that I'm looking to do is still double down on this bullish market. But I'm only really going to buy if it starts breaking for first time at like above 470 and then onwards. So yeah, that's how Wolf looks like, at least for me. This is not financial advice. Stay tuned, and there's still hope. There's definitely still hope. Not making a decision unless the rules are met. If you want to make more money trading in a simple way, click the first link in the description. That's a free newsletter.